If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.
Hey everyone, it's Danielle here. I am going to do a sew along in July, and we are doing the Chanterelle Pants, and they come in two different versions. So you can see a wide leg here, or this one has a bit of a cuff on the bottom. And so there are many different fiber options or fabric options you could be going for with this. But I do suggest you think about whether or not you're going to do the wide leg or the narrower leg, because that can really impact the fabric you want to use. The narrower leg one, which is I did here for the sample, it's a little bit tighter to the body and like towards where the butt is. And so you want a little bit more of a firmer or more resilient fabric to use for that. So I might suggest something like this, the baby cord, or you could even go even more structured and go for like a canvas, which I think would be really great. And then you could go for softer options, but again, you want to make sure that they're good pant weight so you don't get any wearing in the butt or any high wear areas between the legs, for instance. And so some other options then for the wider leg pant are definitely some good softer and or flowier fabrics. So I've got here the linen cotton, we've got the sand washed cotton, which is really great. And the tencel twill would be also an amazing option for a nice pair of swishy wide leg pants. So these are some options for you. This is the Brussels washer, which I think is in between and can be either swishy or more structured pant. But yeah, these are several options. You can go anywhere you want to, going really lightweight and swishy or more structured and sturdy. But yeah.